Hello students of 9th class, this is Shruti. Today I'll discuss with you your chapter first of geography. Your chapter is India size and location. This is very interesting chapter. You have to read this chapter very carefully, okay? And this is part 2 video. Okay? I'll start your chapter from new topic. New topic is India and the world. This is very interesting topic because you will know in this topic about the trade. Okay, trade connectivity in the world. Okay, you know that the Indian mainland has a central location between the East and the West Asia. India is a southward extension of the Asian continent. The Trans-Indian Ocean route which connects the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia provide a strategic central location to India. Okay, that means this central location, central location helps in trade, helps for trade, culture, cultivation also, culture exchange too, growth of trade, commerce also, commerce sector. You can improve all these sectors, and also the helping is central location of the India, You can see in this figure all routes of the Indian connectivity, for the trade, You have the connectivity by the air also and by the ocean way, Now you have to see this picture very carefully, Note that the Deccan Peninsula protrudes into the Indian Oceans, which helps India to establish close contact to West Asia, Africa and Europe from the western coast and with Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. Now you have to understand also one thing. What is that? We should share our idea to each other, for progressing, like these routes have contributed in the exchange of ideas and commodities since ancient time. The idea of Upanishad, Ramayana, the story of Panchatantra, we have shared to each other, We have also taken trade to one country to another country, For the example, spices, muslin and other merchandise. The spices, muslin and other merchandise were taken from India to different countries. Now you got this point. The trade is very important part for Indian continent. India is a central location for the trade also. New and last topic, India's neighbors of this chapter. You have to watch the physical map of India, for this topic. India occupies an important strategic position in South Asia, and India has 28 states and 9 union territories. 2 union territories has increased, which is Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. Now we have to know about the boundaries of India. Okay. Firstly, you have to know the direction east, west, north and south. Okay. India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in northwest. Okay. And China, Tibet, Nepal and Bhutan in north. Okay. And Bangladesh and Myanmar in east. Sri Lanka and Maldives are our southern neighbors across the sea. You can see in this figure very clearly. Okay. Maldives situated near the Lakshadweep. Okay. Now you got about the neighbors of India. Okay. Which is shared boundaries with the neighbors. Okay. You have to know here Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by a Pearl Strait and the Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives Island are situated to the south of the Lakshadweep Island. There is important one thing is that India has strong geographical and historical lies with her neighbors. Okay. Now you have to take a physical map and watch carefully. Okay. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care.